Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a quick look at 2019 Harley-Davidson Iron 1200, also known as the XL 1200 NS. If you are into classic cruiser styling with a bit of attitude, this one might catch your eye. The Iron 1200 built off the Sportster platform, but adds a few key touches that give it more personality. You've got that retro-styled AMF-inspired tank graphics, mini ape handlebars, and blacked-out 1200cc Evolution V-twin engine. No chrome here, just pure dark custom vibes. The bike is all about simplicity. It's got a low solo seat, mid controls, and that signature peanut tank. Just 3.3 gallons, so it means for short urban rides, no cross-country touring. But with 1200cc engine, it actually pulls pretty hard, lots of torque down low, which makes city riding feels fun and punchy. The Evolution motor has been around for a long time. It's air-cooled, solid, and proven. Maintenance is pretty straightforward, and there is a big aftermarket if you ever want to customize. The one thing you'll notice is how tall and narrow the front end feels. Thanks to the mini apes and skinny front tire, it gives the bike a unique feel when you're sitting on it, kind of old school chopper style. The riding position is upright but relaxed. The mini apes raise your hands just enough to feel cool without being uncomfortable. So who is this bike for? If you're a new rider looking for a solid first Harley-Davidson, or someone who wants a raw stripped-down cruiser with a big engine and classic style, the Iron 1200 could be a great fit. So this bike is factory custom, ready to ride and look cool without needing mods. The 1200cc Evolution engine is raw, reliable, and full of torque. Unique mix of retro style with modern blackout looks. Lighter than most Harleys, and it weighs around 564 pounds. And you know what? This bike is very affordable entry into the Harley-Davidson world with tons of customization potential. Simple, punchy, no frills. So guys, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more bike workarounds like this one. Thanks for watching.